Hi, my name is Mrs. Overish, and I'm so glad you're here to learn with me today. Today we're going to be talking about numbers 1 through 5. Can you count to 5 with me? Let's use our fingers to help us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Can you try to count to 5 on your own? Nice job. Were you able to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Today, we're going to talk specifically about the number 2. We can show our number 2 in many different ways. This is how we draw the number 2. This is how we write the number 2 in word form. So this says 2. We can draw the number 2 by showing it with dots, and we can draw pictures to represent the number 2. So I drew 1, 2 ice cream cones. Today we're going to practice all things number 2 today. Let's get started. On our table, we have many objects that are in different groups. Some of them are in groups of 2, some of them are in groups of 3, and we see different pictures that represent different numbers. We are going to make 2 groups today. One with the group of 2 and one with a group of not 2. So first, I see our number 2 drawn on our card. This says 2. I'm going to put this number on the 2 side. Is there something else that you see that there's 2 of? I see this little jar right here has 1, 2 seeds. So we're going to also put this on the 2 side. Is there anything that you see that has more than 2 or less than 2? I see this picture right here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 pairs. So I can't put this on the 2 side. I'm going to put my 5 pairs on the not 2 side. Excuse me. What else do you see that could go on the not 2 side with our 5 pairs? What are some things that you see that don't look like the number 2? I see this jar right here in the middle. This bowl has only 1 cotton ball. 1 cotton ball is not 2. So I'm going to put it on the not 2 side. Can you find something that we can add to our 2 side? I see that we have a bowl with 2 rocks. Should our 2 rocks go on the 2 side or the not 2 side? That's right, let's put it on the 2 side. Can you help me sort this bowl? Let's count how many beans are in there together. We have 1, 2, 3 beans. Should our 3 beans go on the 2 side with the items that are in groups of 2, or on our not 2 side with our 5 pairs and our 1 cotton ball? 1, 2, 3. 3 beans goes on the not 2 side. Nice job. With the items we have left, what are some things that need to go on our 2 side? What do you see? Did you see the 1, 2 dots? Our 2 dots represent the number 2, so I can put it on the 2 side. I also see a number in word form. Can you read this with me? 2. The number 2 in word form goes on our to side. Is there anything you see that needs to go on our not to side? I see a picture of blueberries. How many blueberries are on our picture? 1, 2, 3. Our 3 blueberries will go on the not to side. What objects do you see that are in groups of 2? I see our 2 beans, 1, 2. They get to go on the not to side. I also see our 2 seeds, 1, 2. Since there's 2 seeds, they get to go on the to side. I also see this picture of 1, 2 cookies. 2 cookies get to go on the to side. We have 2 things left to sort. One of the items goes on the not to side, and the other one goes on the to side. Do you know which way they should go? This is the number 4. I remember sorting the number 2. Do you see how they look different? Since the number 4 is not the number 2, I get to put it on the not to side, which means that our 1, 2 seeds can go on the to side. Can you ask an adult to get you a piece of paper and a marker or a crayon or a pencil? Just something that you can write with. I have my piece of paper and an orange marker. Can you have that same adult help you fold your paper into 4s? First, we fold our paper in half. When I open it back up, I see my paper is in 1, 2 parts, but I'm going to fold it one more time in half going the other way. And now my paper has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. We're going to practice writing the number 2 in 4 different ways. First, we're going to just draw the number 2. Can you draw the number 2 with me? Remember, our number 2 looks just like this. In the next box, can you write the number 2 with me in word form? We will start with a T. Next comes a W. And last is an O. T-W-O spells 2. Nice job. We can also represent the number 2 with dots. How many dots are we going to draw to show the number 2? We're going to draw 1, 2. Let's draw 2 dots together. 1, 2. We can also use pictures to represent our number 2. This picture shows 2 cookies. Earlier, I showed you 2 ice cream cones. You can draw anything you want. Maybe 2 smiley faces, or 2 circles, 2 stars. I'm going to draw 2 goldfish. To represent our number 2. Now I have the number 2 written 4 different ways on my paper. I have number 2. I have written number 2. I drew 2 dots, and I drew 1, 2 fish. Nice job. Today we talked all about the number 2. Let's count to 5 one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Today you got to practice drawing the number 2, writing the number 2 in word form, drawing 2 dots to represent the number 2, and you got to pick something to draw a picture that you drew 2 of. I hope you had a good time today talking all about the number 2. My name is Mrs. Overish, and I'll see you next time.